Let's be honest, your phone holds your entire life. Your texts, your emails, your phone calls, your search history, your social media history, things you may not want people to know. So here's a question we often get. If I get arrested or if I get stopped on traffic, can the police search my phone? I'm David Kiatta with Segura & Kiatta Criminal Defense Lawyers in Sugar Land, Texas. And today I'm breaking down when the police can and cannot search your phone. I'll tell you what your rights are and how to protect those rights. Before we dive in, please like and subscribe. We regularly post videos explaining what your rights are in Texas. And if you've been charged with a crime, don't wait. Call our office immediately. In Texas, your phone is just like your home or other private papers. That means the police need a warrant signed by a judge to search it, absent some emergency or exigent circumstances. No warrant, no legal search. That's your constitutional right, and the courts take it very seriously. Police often try to apply pressure to get you to consent. Don't fall for it. Here's where a lot of people may mess up. An officer may ask you for your phone and try to imply that you have to unlock it for them. You don't. They may try to say, hey, it's just easier for you if you go ahead and give us consent or go ahead and give us your passcode. Or they may say something like, we're going to go ahead and get a search warrant, so just give us permission. Do not give the police consent to search your phone. Unless the police have a warrant or fall under a very narrow exception, they cannot search your phone. And even when they have a search warrant, you're under no obligation to give them your passcode or unlock the phone for them. Now, a major exception to the search warrant requirement is consent. Voluntary consent. That means consent given not under duress or coercion. If the police ask if they can go through your phone and you say, sure, no problem, that's consent. If the police say something like, give us consent, or you're going to jail, that's coercion. My advice is simple. Be polite, be direct, and say, I do not consent to any search of my phone, period. This one sentence can protect your privacy, your freedom, and your future. The other exception I mentioned, and it's very rare, is called exigent circumstances. That's emergency situation. Examples may be someone's life in danger or evidence may be destroyed. But this exception is very narrow and very tailored, and the police still need probable cause before that exception comes into play. What do you do if the police ask you to hand over your phone? You stay calm, you stay polite, and you say, I do not consent to any search of my phone. Do not resist the police or fight the police when they take the phone from you. This could land you in jail. When the police take your phone, you're not required to unlock it when they ask you to. You're not required to explain what's on it. And remember, you're not resisting arrest simply by refusing to give consent. Assert your rights without escalating the situation. Now here's one more tip that most people don't know. If your phone uses Face ID or a fingerprint to unlock, I strongly recommend you switch to a numerical passcode. That's because in some situations, law enforcement may try to hold the phone up to your face or get your fingerprint on it to unlock the phone. And the police cannot compel you to give them a passcode. This isn't about being anti-police. It's about knowing what your rights are and protecting your privacy, your freedom, and your future. If your phone was searched, and if the police are trying to use digital evidence against you, then you need to call us because we can help you. At Segura & Kiatta, we'll explain what your rights are, and we will fight to protect your privacy and your future. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with people you care about. Knowing your rights is the first step in protecting them. I'm David, and I'll see you in the next video.